have 24, 14, and 21. And what we're doing is trying to find the greatest common factor. So what I'm trying to find is what number goes into all three of these numbers. What is the greatest number possible? So first I'm just going to list my factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. My factors of 14. 1 times 14, 2 times 7. Once you get better, you won't have to list every single thing. Here we have 1 times 21 and 3 times 7. So what I need to do is look at all three of my lists and see what number, the greatest number that they all three share. With these three numbers, the only number that they share is 1. So my answer is C. Number 2, we have 2x and we have an x. So number-wise, if I look at here, I have a 2x and I have an x. So really there's a 1 there. So my factors of 2 are 1 times 2. My factors of 1 are 1 times 1. So the only number that they share is 1. So I need to know I have a 1. Then I look at x and x. The greatest amount of, or the smallest amount of x's that they both have is just 1x. So we get D as our answer. And lastly, number 3, we have 15m to the 5th, 135m to the 8th, and 225m to the 6th. Okay, so I'm going to list my factors of 15. I have 1 times 15, and I have 3 times 5. These are my only options. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at my numbers. I have 1, 15, 3, and 5. So we need to double check that 15 goes into each of 135 and 225, which it does. It goes into all three of these numbers. That is the greatest number that goes into all three of them. So we know we have 15. Then I look at my m's. M to the 5th, M to the 8th, M to the 6th. We always take the lowest amount. So my lowest amount is M to the 5th because I can take out 5 of them out of every single one. So my greatest common factor here is 15 M to the 5th.